Recording.
Good day all, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to, I'm just going for a little run up to the gas station to fill up my bike, and I thought I would talk about something I don't know, I didn't want to talk about this. I saw something and it bugged me pretty bad. So I said, I should probably make a video on that. And then I decided, nah, I don't think so. But here it is. Here's the video. Got a question for you. I'd like you to pause the video after I ask the question and put your answer in the comments below. How would you feel if you were on a group ATV ride and you broke down? I can pretty much guarantee you'd feel pretty shitty. Now, part two of that question is, how would you feel if you were on a group ATV ride and you broke down and nobody stayed behind to help you? So pause the video and please comment below. Okay, so you've all commented. I can guess what your comments are. I've been going on group rides with the local ATV club and along with other people, and it's almost a given that if you're with 2 people or 200 people, if somebody breaks down, you stop until they're fixed. You make sure, if they can't be fixed, you tow them out of the woods. If you can't tow them out of the woods, you stay with them. You do not leave them. So, I am going to insert a highly redacted Facebook post right here that I screenshotted that was posted on some local Facebook groups, and it's still on the person's Facebook page. And this goes on about pretty much reaming out the group owners, or the group leaders that took that actually volunteered their time to take a group of people on a run, and somebody broke down. People break down, you know. And this guy was complaining that, oh, I got home late because somebody broke down. Well, tough shit, bud. People break down, and you'll break down someday. He went on to say he'll never ride with that group again, and I'm just going by memory because I haven't read the post since about the end of July. It's on my phone. I screenshot it. So he said it's the responsibility of the people running the group to have a crew together that will take care of people that are broken down. Like this is a professional, you know, organized event, not just a bunch of guys with one guy, you know, volunteering to lead a crew through the woods, like every other ATV group ride that I've ever been on. So this guy got reamed on Facebook groups, and righteously so. I'm not going to say what group it's on. I'm not going to say, I don't even know if the post is still there or not, but I find it highly disgusting that that somebody would say that. Not that somebody would say that, because if you think that, you'll say that. So I don't know if the majority of my viewers are old enough to know who the Three Musketeers are. They were a storybook group that their motto was all for one and one for all, or one for all and all for one, meaning, you know, if one of us goes down, we all go down. And that's kind of how ATV group rides work. You don't even consider leaving somebody behind for somebody else to take care of. Oh, let somebody else take care of it. That, my friends, is bullshit. So those are the kinds of things that that get people blacklisted from wanting other people wanting to ride with them. I, for one, know this guy's name, and I will never ride with this guy. Like, yeah, he may be a participant in a group that I'm in. That guy's a ghost to me, because it's to have that thought. Like, I could be out in the middle of nowhere. I could be alone. I could have to work the next day. I could have to, I could have a turkey in the oven. If I find somebody broken down, I am by their side until they're safe. And I can safely say that 99.9999% of other ATV riders would do exactly what I did. How would you feel? How would you feel if you were the one stuck in the woods and you were on a group ride and everybody was like, oh, somebody else in the group will take care of it. Oh, somebody else will do it. And everybody drove by you and left you 50 kilometers back in the woods alone at night. Like that's just, it's basic humanity. And the super ironic thing about this is that this guy claims to be former military, and unless he was a chef on a boat or something like that, no military would ever think of leaving somebody behind because somebody else will take care of it. That's just not how shit works. That's not how life works. Sometimes you need to experience a little discomfort on the behalf of helping others. So I don't know. I'm disgusted about this. I'm venting. I'll probably feel better after this video is published. Just gonna cross the street here. Yeah, so it's I'm speechless that somebody would actually think and then post something like that and expect support from what they're saying. I'm never going to ride with this group again because they stayed to help somebody that was broken down. Like, yeah. If you're that guy and you're watching this right now, unsubscribe from my channel. I don't want you here. It's just plain and simple. I'll take the hit of 1 sub. I'll take the hit of 100 subs. Yeah. Anyway, so in a nutshell, when you're riding in a group, you're riding in a group. You're not riding for yourself. You're riding with a group. If somebody breaks down, you help them. If they get stuck, you winch them. You tow them. You stay with them. If they don't have water, if they're ill prepared, if they run out of gas, I've given a full tank of gas on a very long trip. I used to keep a tank of gas in the back here, and now it's in my wife's bike. I was way deep on a long run, like almost breathing on fumes. and I knew I was far away from a gas station, and one of my fellow riders completely ran out of gas. Here you go. Here's my 5 liters of gas. Put it in your bike. Somebody else will deal with it when I run out of gas. The guy dumped the entire 5 liters in, gave me back the empty container, said thanks. We went on our merry way. I ended up getting back to the gas station in New Germany that day, so all was well. Yeah, it's comment below. I want to know what you people think of this. Read the Facebook post. I'll post it again right here. Read it, and tell me what you think about that. Like, it's, do you side with the guy? Am I being too sensitive? Am I not being sensitive enough? Am I being I don't know. Who cares what I think about it? What do you think about it? So I didn't want this to be a negative video, but I just wanted to stress the importance of taking care of your fellow man, or lady, or non-binary. Take care of the person that you're riding with. It's basic human nature to do that, and if you don't do that, you're not making friends. So I hope you, if you didn't know this about group riding, now you know. If you did know this about group riding, good for you. Other than that, I don't have really much to say. I hope you enjoyed the ride today. I'm going to make a second video. I just wanted to make this one video its own little thing today. So like, share, subscribe. You know, there's lots of more content. I'm over 500, actually 550 some odd subscribers now, so I'd like to thank each and every one of you. And yeah, I'd like to thank each and every one of you that subscribed. And if you didn't subscribe, thank you very much. Or if you didn't subscribe, mash the button. Blah, blah, blah. You know the deal. Have a good one. Peace.